Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Google account recovery flow and entering the disabled account email or phone. Once done, follow prompts to verify identity. Google will ask for recovery email or phone codes. You should provide the most recent sign-in locations, device names, and approximate account creation date to strengthen your claim. Make sure to unlock time-based access windows, since waiting too long reduces success. Keep a secondary device handy for code entry and screen navigation while you proceed. Once you receive a verification code, enter it promptly. Codes expire quickly, so be ready to act. If codes aren't available, choose the option to answer account-specific questions like last passwords, creation month, or frequently used services. These prove ownership. Make sure to use a device you commonly use to sign in. Google's signals trust familiar devices. If prompts fail, select the option to request more time or submit an appeal form with supporting details and screenshots of any error messages. After verification, set a strong new password and review recovery options to prevent recurrence. Update phone, email, and two-step verification. Once you sign in, inspect account activity, connected apps, and device list to remove unauthorized access. If Google still blocks your account, use the explicit appeal path and include clear identity proof and timeline details. Be concise and factual. One key troubleshooting tip: if automated recovery repeatedly fails, try appealing from a different trusted network or use a device you frequently use to sign in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.